So a lot of people ask us why we decided to get our own warehouse. One of the reasons definitely was not so that we had to show up at the warehouse all the time. We got this warehouse, but we only did it understanding that we had somebody else that was going to be able to manage the warehouse. One of the things we cherish about running an Amazon business is that it really is location independent, that we can run our business from anywhere in the world. But what else? We also recognize what, Nate?
Yeah, so a big part of growing our brand has been able to have our own warehouse space, so we're not always relying on a third-party prep center, or we're not relying just on the Amazon fulfillment centers. Now, FBA is great, right? And I think FBA works for a lot of brands, but as you do start to scale up, and especially if you have larger products or seasonal products or products where you do need to get a decent amount of inventory in place, storage fees at places can get large, and having a warehouse space really has added a lot of flexibility to the way that we fulfill products, the way that we drip feed our products into Amazon. We've run the numbers, and a lot of times having our own warehouse space has resulted in saving thousands of dollars per month in storage fees.
So the average cost on a pallet, if you're storing a pallet of product at Amazon, is about $55 per pallet. Here in our warehouse right now with our product, we probably have about 250 to 275 pallets. So you can imagine having a $55 per pallet fee per month at Amazon. When you have that amount of pallets, it can really add up. So as your business grows, you're gonna have to face these type of questions and figure out what is gonna be the best model for you. For us, for the price that we pay for this warehouse, the overall storage rates are going to be a lot cheaper than utilizing a third-party warehouse. Now, what we've been able to do here and working with a partner who we share this space with is we've been able to outsource to him not only our fulfillment, what they send to Amazon, as well as what we ship to customers, but we've also been able to outsource our customer service as well as receiving containers, which now we're averaging about 2 to 3 containers a month. And so if you've ever unloaded a container, it's not easy. It's a lot of work because all of our product comes floor loaded. So you can't drive a forklift on the container. You have to pick the product up and you have to roll it down the rollers. And so as your business continues to grow, maybe you're not at 2 to 3 containers a month yet. Maybe you're gonna get there one day. You'll have to ask the question and you have to run the numbers. Is it gonna be smarter for you to use a third-party fulfillment center and pay them storage fees? Or is it gonna be smarter for you? Is it gonna help you stay leaner and meaner to rent your own warehouse space and either manage it yourself or find a partnership like we have? So that's our 6,000, and then we also have an additional 4,000 square feet here on this side. So what's great about this space right here, we also have the ability from the additional 4,000, we can also expand into this, which is like an additional 15 to 20,000. So that's the goal. We're just gonna keep growing the brand, building it bigger.